empty and boring space. So all we need are this angular bar, a piece of metal board that we need to cut, some screws, screwdriver. So we're gonna place this and wait to the right place for this microwave. It will be cool. So let's get it on. We got now the exact measure, and all we have to do now is to cut. Alright guys, this is what we have done. I even forget to make a video while putting it inside. So this is it. We made it strong and really good for space saver. Absolutely perfect. Hope you like it, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.